Hey guys, today I'm going to make janchi-guksu. It's a warm and healthy noodle dish. Janchi means feast and guksu means noodles. People in Korea used to have this on special occasions like weddings and birthdays, but now it's kind of a common lunch item. It's not too heavy and very savory. So what I'm going to do is to make broth and boil some noodles and cook some toppings and put everything in a bowl and then eat it. So let me introduce the ingredient first, okay? For the broth, I'm using this little bag of stuff. I don't know the proper name for this, but it has everything you need to make broth, like dried anchovy, kelp, things like that. For the noodles, I'm going to use this thin wheat noodles called someon. You can get this stuff at a Korean supermarket. For toppings, I got some zucchini, onion, mushrooms, and carrots, and an egg, and kimchi. For the kimchi, I'm going to use the top parts of the kimchi because the texture is better than the leafy part. And for the vegetables, you don't have to use all of these. You can choose whatever you like. You can add more zucchini if you like. You don't like mushrooms, you can leave them out. It's totally up to you.
What's this called?
잔치국수.
I remember eating this.
That's cool.
It's cool. Like at weddings sometimes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, people don't serve 잔치국수.
I think I remember because I was surprised. I was expecting a buffet or something, but I just brought out the noodles. And I was like, oh, okay.
That was it?
That was it. I can't remember whose wedding it was.
Koreans?
Went to way too many weddings. mushrooms.
Kiwi.
But it tastes exactly like I remember.
맛있다.
This is a fish broth?
Mm-hmm.
Like a Korean style.
맞아. That's how you eat it.
And I feel like I remember sometimes I would get this and then there'd be like a lot of chopped kimchi here for me to put in, like as much as I wanted. Super healthy.
맛있다.
Is there usually mushrooms in here?
I don't think so.
It's good though. It's like the salad of the soup world.
It is.